I haven't done a recording for a while, so I just thought I'd have a look at this little one I found today called RNO. Okay, um, Rhino Med Ordinary. Basically, hasn't been around for a long time. That's where I'd say it was floated up there at $12, 12.5 cents. Sorry. Um, so I've just done the usual quadrant lines and fibs on it here, and today we are at the 61.8% fib at 4.9 cents. Okay. Interesting bit about it, downtrend line is there, little uptrend line along there, another little one just following in there that it had just breached slightly. The thing to look at here, our 200-day moving average is down here, pushing the stock up and supporting it. Okay. The fib set's pretty good there, so that 49C being a 61.8, even if you had a retest of that, I'd say it'd probably hold. Okay. The interesting thing to note about it here too at the moment, our MAs are all coming back up through, okay, and we've broken out down through that little downtrend line there, and the candle is inverted on the daily. It's an inverted hammer, confirmed inverted hammer, by the way. So that is very, very good. This is on the daily chart, okay. A few other little things to show you here too. Indicators, we've got fresh little daily buys on DEMAs, okay, on your SCOTH, and also on the zero lag MACD, okay. The other thing to note here on this stock here, the ranges, okay, are getting larger, okay. And volume is increasing. It's increasing volume, so that's another very good sign for the stock. Just quickly again, here's to the weekly chart. Let's just set this up properly first, get it into the screen so you can see it properly. Let's just go back to the all over weekly, basically the same sort of thing. Once again, your weekly 200-day moving average is down here. So it's basically doing a golden cross on the weekly, okay? Is what you'd be looking at there, which is another plus. Weekly candles, again, also inverted, okay? So I'd expect this a good little run up to the 50% fib here, okay, which is around about 6.4, but it wouldn't surprise me if it had another go at the underneath of this trend line here, which is that down trend all over downtrend line, because having a golden cross on the weekly, your dailies got nice little buy signals on it there. We're just getting buy signals coming in here on the MACD zero lag, okay. The SCOTH hasn't put one on the weekly just yet, but you've got a short entry for a long here on the little DEMAs here, the little RSI DEMAs, and the weekly DEMA is looking to go up again as well, okay. And you know, it can have quite a long way to go on basically daily and weekly DEMAs. Let's have a look at the daily one again and show you that. Cancel. Here's the daily DEMA, and now this can run all the way up to the 85s, as it's done twice here before. It's even been higher up into the 90s. So you know, there's quite a long way for that to run, is what I tend to be thinking at. But anyway, now I've got to fly, so sorry about the quick vid, but that's just a few thoughts, is what I'm thinking. And yeah, it's certainly looking good.